Mindful eating from the Hospital for Sick Children. This video explains what mindful eating is and how to do it. What is mindful eating? Mindful eating is about listening to satisfaction cues of hunger, fullness, and taste. When we are distracted, we sometimes do not listen to our bodies and eat mindlessly when we are not hungry. What causes mindless eating? Many things can cause people to mindlessly eat. These can include distractions while eating, such as the TV, computer, or reading, eating out of large plates, bowls, and bags, food that is visible and conveniently placed, eating while feeling strong emotions such as being stressed, sad, or angry, being rushed and eating quickly, and having a large variety of food available. Eating mindfully is important for overall health and a feeling of well-being because it helps you to slow down and appreciate every bite. You feel more satisfied with foods, feel fuller faster, and experience your food better by paying more attention to the flavors and textures you are sensing. Here are 13 tips that may help you and your family to eat more mindfully. Choose what works for you. Number 1. Drink enough water in the day. The first sign of hunger is thirst. To help fill your stomach, drink 1 cup of water before eating your meal and take sips between bites. Number 2. Do not keep food in a visible and convenient location. Store food in cupboards and the fridge instead of on the kitchen counter or in a bowl in the family room. Stock the front of your cupboards and fridge with healthy food choices. Keep healthy foods at eye level. And avoid temptation by not bringing junk food into the house. If you do buy junk food, store it at the back of the fridge or cupboard. 3. Set a routine schedule. Aim to eat 3 meals and 2 to 3 snacks a day, about 3 to 4 hours apart, and try to stick to the same eating schedule every day. 4. Plan family meals. Sit down for meals with your family and make conversation a part of your meal. Talking during meals slows down how quickly you are eating. Number 5. Eat away from distractions. Reserve the kitchen table for eating. Try not to eat in front of the TV, computer, or other screens, or in a car. Studies show that you eat more when distracted and will eat more at your next meal as well. Number 6. Use small plates and bowls. This can trick your mind into thinking you are eating more. Do not eat snacks out of a large container. Instead, dish out the recommended portion. Number 7. Use the plate method. Remember to eat the recommended portion sizes of the foods you are eating. Use the plate method to help control your portions. Half your plate should be high-fiber vegetables and fruits, quarter of your plate whole grains, and quarter of your plate proteins. When you are preparing food, if the food groups are combined in one dish, keep in mind the ratios of vegetable, protein, and carbohydrates suggested in the plate method. 8. Avoid meals with too many food options, such as buffets. Too much variety causes overeating and mindless eating. 9. Eat slowly. Take breaks between bites and put down utensils. Chew slowly and do not take another bite until your mouth is 100% empty. Take a break to breathe and notice if you are no longer hungry. 10. Listen to your hunger and fullness signs. Ask yourself how hungry or satisfied you are before you eat, halfway through your meal, and after you finish eating on a scale of 1 to 10. Stop eating when you feel satisfied, but not full. When a snack craving hits, notice your hunger level. If you are not hungry, you likely do not need to snack. 11. Serve individual portions. Only take the portion you will eat, and do not serve buffet-style meals. Keep extra food off the table and put leftovers away before the meal. Remove your plate once you feel satisfied to avoid picking at your food. 12. Avoid second helpings. Eat 1 plate of food at meals. Drink a glass of water before going for seconds. If you are still hungry, go back for vegetables and/or protein. And finally, number 13, be aware of and reflect back on the effects of mindless eating. Ask yourself, did boredom or sadness cause the mindless eating? Did a certain location or situation cause mindless eating? Did eating something solve those problems? Did you feel guilty after mindless eating? Did your mood improve or get worse after mindless eating? If so, there are a few things that might help. We call them mood boosters. Mood boosters can help you avoid emotional eating. Try to include some of these mood boosters every day. Laughter therapy. The sound of laughter triggers a smile response. Get active. Activity increases endorphins, our body's natural feel-good hormones. Sleep. Get 7 to 9 hours a night. Social interactions, such as talking with a friend, engaging in a group activity, or participating in a positive social experience can also boost your mood. Listening to music. Studies show music can increase positive feelings. And get outside during the day. Sunlight boosts your mood. These mood boosters can help your mind and body stay connected and engaged. You will be less likely to search for food to feel satisfied. Remind yourself of your goals. If you're tempted to eat but are not hungry, mindful eating can help you make healthy choices. This can improve your energy levels and help you stay healthy. Remember, all foods fit in moderation. Be mindful of what and how you are eating, and enjoy your food. We are here to help. If you have questions or need further tips, please contact your healthcare provider.